26 June 2020, the death of George Floyd sparked a wave of protest demanded Black Lives Matter in US. This protest and march in major cities pushed a debate on racism in our country. There are two main evils in our country, racism and casteism. They both are not newly coined terms. People have been from these terms time to time. Racism leads to the suppression of people just because of their physical appearance. Where Nelson Mandela, who is considered a symbol of struggle against racism in Africa, so on the other hand we see that B.R. Benton, who play a key role in abolishing the casteism in India. And what we are doing, we have divided ourselves into subcastes. Sometimes we are called as Punjabi or Sindhi, sometimes we are divided ourselves into Shia Sunni. We see the conflicts of Shia Sunni every year, but what we are doing, we have just zipped our mouth. Mr. President, if I see the history witnesses that Hazrat Abu Bakr Rizallah Anha and Bilal, who is called Habshi, sit side by side at same place, at same room, but no one argued that the king is sitting with slave. No one argued because that was Islam, that was religion, who gave us a lesson of peace, who gave us a lesson of brotherhood, who gave us a lesson of equality, gave us a lesson of unity. And what we are doing, we have forgotten the teaching of Holy Prophet who say that, oh people, your Lord is one, your sister Adam is one, Arab is not better than non-Arab and non-Arab is not better than Arab. A red is not superior to black and black is not inferior to red except piety. Mr. President, history never lies. There was a time when a person in Kabul is hurted and feel the pain. The same pain was felt by the Muslim brother living in India. But now we have forgotten the rights of our neighbors. For ourselves, our religion doesn't matter. The thing matters for ourselves is our caste, our creed, our relationship that our ancestors were following. We are loved to be called with our subtitles because it gives us the sense of superiority. It gives us the sense of superiority. Mr. President, if I open the chapter of unity, I've come to know that we all are the list of people who see the brutality but don't speak, who see the rape cases but close our eyes. At that time, we become dumb, deaf and dumb. We all see the cases of crimes and conflicts related to casteism every year, every month, every day. Sometimes we see that black is killed just because of their color. Sometimes we see that the daughter of poor is being raped and killed in the street. But what we can do, we just see and ignore, we just listen and forget. So I'm sorry to say that your existence and your life is not more than a life of a puppet. Your existence and your life is not more than a life of puppet. If you can see and you can't speak, if you listen and ignore, so what is the purpose of your existence? I'm going to ask you people a question. If today I will not speak, the question remains same. Till when? Till when this war ended? Till when this worship of caste and creed end? Till when this discussion end? This is the time. This is the time to stand up. This is the time to wake up. Let's stop blaming our ancestors for this. Let's stop following our ancestors. Let's end this discussion of caste and creed. Let's end this worship of caste and creed. Let's end this game of superiority and inferiority. We should realize that we all are the Ummah of Holy Prophet. We all are the nation of Qaeda Iqbal, who gave us the lesson of peace, who gave us the lesson of love, equality, unity. We can't say that. Don't call yourself Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Afghani. You all are one nation. You all are Pakistani. You all are Muslims. Oh people, don't divide yourself into subgroups. You all are Muslims. You all are the Ummah of Holy Prophet. So live together. Don't divide yourself into subgroups. Live with love and peace and equality. Thank you.